Hello everyone, welcome to this video where I will be showing how learners will engage in an interactive YAHAHA simulation to observe and analyze friction. Using the simulation, they will explore how surface roughness affects frictional force. When you first enter the simulation, you can use the right mouse button and drag to move the perspective. Use the WASD buttons or the arrow buttons to move the character. For this simulation, there are 6 buttons, 5 of which spawns in a block made of different materials, while the red button changes the material of the slope. Spawn in the different blocks and observe how it goes down the slope. That's it for the video, thank you for watching.